Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how easily you can connect your Astro G30 gaming headset with any Windows PC or laptop. So to do this, we got two methods. The first one, we're gonna do this by using this wireless adapter that you can find in the box. And the second method, it will be the wired connection by using this jack cable. So let's start with the standard jack cable. You have to remove it from your box and then you have to put it right here in this place. So put it inside, plug it, and then do the same to your PC. Just plug it to the green port, to the line out. And when you do this, all you have to do is right now on your PC go to the sound settings. So we can use, for example, this speaker icon, click with the left or right mouse button, and then click right here and just select your high definition audio device. And then you will hear sound through your headset by using this wired connection. And the second method, let me show you. From our box, we have to remove this wireless adapter. It looks like that. We have to plug it to any USB port that we have in our PC or laptop. So I'm gonna do this right now. Okay, and after that, in the most cases, you will have the notification in the right bottom corner that the device is detected, and you have to simply power on your device by using this button. So I'm talking about this button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator turns on. As you can see right now, it's turned on. So the next step is very simple. We have to go back to the sound settings on our PC. So click with the left mouse button and then simply select your Astro A30 game. So we can do this like that. And right now we can go open, for example, the YouTube and just take a look if it works properly. Yeah, definitely sound comes through our speakers. We can also plug the microphone. It's also located in the box. So how to do this? Simply we have to select this port and put it in this position. Press on it. You will hear the notification sound that you are connected. You can also open the sound settings on your PC. As you can see, our output is set up for the Astro A30 gaming, but the input it's not, so we can also switch right here to the internal Astro A30 microphone. And right now we are able to use your headset on your PC. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.